JC, ek wil gou hê jy moet luister na wat hierdie persoon sê op nasionale televisie op SABC News. Hy sê hierso dat tydens COVID toe die SANDF gedeploy was in die Western Cape, dat dit nie gewerk het nie en dit is nie die waarheid nie. Daar was selfs 'n artikel in Time Magazine gewees oor die drastiese afname in moord in Suid-Afrika tydens die COVID-tydperk toe hulle daar beperkings op mense se rondbeweeg gehad het in die land en die SANDF gedeploy het. Kyk gou hierso, wat sê hy?
We are now joined by policing expert and former SAPS Deputy Provincial Commissioner for Detection in the Western Cape, Jeremy Veery, and he joins us now via our video link. Mr. Veery, thank you so much for your time this evening here in SABC News. Let's start off here. What is your reaction to that announcement in which we saw from President Cyril Ramaphosa last night saying that the SANDF will be deployed to parts of the Western Cape as well as in Gauteng?
The first thing, we have been here before, and it has not had sustained results.
Bullshit!
I will mention an example, and it's not general impressions. I want to take you to the 18th of September 2019 report, parliamentary report by the...
Dis mos tydens COVID, né, pa? Dis tydens COVID, ja.
To the Cape Flats by the Portfolio Committee on Police, Defence and Military Veterans and the Joint Standing Committee on Defence. Now, there's something I want to highlight in this report. I want to voice the general, the responsible for joint operations at the time, Lieutenant General Bani Batrayo, Chief of Joint Operations of the SANDF, for Operation Prosper with the police in 2019. Now, in that paragraph 4.5 of that particular report, he states the following, and I quote: "The SANDF was unable to dominate the area in line with military top doctrine." Now, what he was trying to tell us in that report.
Nou ek sê vir jou, JC, hulle gaan nou aan met die gesprek daar, né? Hulle impliseer dat om die gangs hier in die Western Cape vas te vat met die weermag nie gewerk het nie, maar dit is nie die waarheid nie. Hulle is besig, hulle het waarskynlik een of ander hidden motive om toe te smeer dat dit effektief was om daai gangs vas te vat. Ek weet nie of hulle betrokke is by die gangs of iets nie, maar hier gaan iets fishy aan, hoor.